Hey guys, Tim here from Candid TV. So normally on my channel here, what I do is I do projector reviews. And today is going to be a little bit of a different video because what I'm going to do is kind of combine two different topics here. I recently got the DJI Mavic Mini and I recently took a trip and tried it out over Thanksgiving weekend and got a lot of cool nature shots and used it outdoors. Used it on some waterfall hikes and in the mountains and some stuff like that. So I also recently reviewed the Epson Home Cinema 3200 4K projector. So I thought it'd be pretty cool to show you guys some of that Mavic Mini footage in 4K on the Epson Home Cinema 3200. So if you like this video, let me know down there below. But here we go. So guys, I hope you like that footage. It's kind of cool because in the same video it shows you what the Mavic Mini can do, and it also shows what the Epson Home Cinema 3200 can do and what it looks like. So if you like this video, drop a like down there below. I'll put the link for both those products down there below in the description as well. You can pick both of them up off of Amazon. There's a few other retailers I'm sure you can find them at too, but if you buy through one of those links, it does help me out on this channel here. But if you like this kind of content, definitely hit that subscribe button. Like I said, on this channel I do a lot of projector reviews, so especially if you're into that, definitely hit that subscribe button. But thank you guys for watching with me here today. You guys take care till the next one.